Hi and welcome to another episode of Cafe Chronicles. Steve here. Today I'm going to be doing something that I should have done a long time ago. I keep having requests on season 1 to show more or to give more engine sounds and exhaust tones. No talking, no music, no nothing, just motorcycle sounds. I'm so sorry. I should have done this a long time ago. Don't forget to check out season 2 with the CB750 budget build too, and hopefully we'll have some engine sounds coming up over the coming months as well for you. Here it is. Sorry it took so long. Enjoy.